Welcome to another Shopify tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a size chart to your Shopify product page. All right. First up, go ahead and open up your Shopify admin. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and click on Online Store. Then go ahead over to Pages. All right. And once you're in here, you're going to want to add a page. Now, go ahead and make the title of the page, for example, size chart. All right. Now, in here, if you want to, you can go ahead and use AI, and don't worry, I'm going to leave this particular prompt in the description. All right, paste that in here and hit on generate. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, here's the result. I'm just going to click on keep, and here's how it looks like. Just go ahead and delete these words or sentence right here. All right, and just going to hit on save. Now, if you want to as well, you can go ahead and add an image. If you have an image of your size chart, all right, for example, insert image right here. I'm going to go ahead and add an image. Go ahead over to my desktop right here. I'm going to hit on open and wait for it to upload. Now, once it uploads, just go ahead and make sure that it is ticked and hit on done. Now, here's it's going to look like. As you can see here, it's been zoomed in, but don't worry, it will be zoomed out later. All right. Just to give you the example, I'm just going to show you both the text that we just generated from Shopify AI. I'm just going to hit on save right here. Now, what we're going to do next is just go ahead over to our online store. Under themes, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead over to customize. All right. Now, if you want to create a size chart for individual items, all right, you can go ahead and click on the home page right here. Go ahead over to products. All right, as you can see, the default product, and in here you're going to add one more template for that specific product that you want to have a size chart. All right, if you want all of your products have the same size chart, just go ahead and select this one. All right, now what we're going to do, if you want to create a individual size chart for individual products, just go ahead and click on create template. And here we're going to name the template maybe a computer. All right, based on default product, just hit on create template. Next, go back, then open your products list right here. You'll be able to see a ton of products right here if you have multiple products. All right. Now you're going to want to click on the specific product. And here you're going to want to scroll down until you find a theme template. All right. Click on the drop down, and as you can see, computer has been added. Just click on it and hit on save. Now let's go back to our online store, themes, and customize. All right. Again, go ahead and go to homepage right here, go to products. And again, default right here, if you want everything in your product list to have a size chart. If not, if only one, just go ahead and click on this one right here. All right, I'm going to click it. And here in the left pane, as you can see, we're just going to want to hover our mouse right here. For example, we wanted to add in the block right maybe above the product rating or below the title right here. All right, I'm just gonna hover my mouse right here and then I'm gonna click on add block. Then we're gonna look for pop-up. Click on pop-up, and there we have our pop-up link. And here's what the pop-up looks like. All right, now let's go ahead and change the link label. For example, size chart for this computer. All right, now we're gonna want to click on select so that we can connect the page. All right, as you can see here, we can't see our page that we added earlier because when you go back to pages, as you can see, it is hidden. So go ahead and make it visible and hit on save. I'm going to go back, I'm going to refresh the page, reload. Now I'm going to add a block again right here below the text, add block, pop-up link, size chart for this computer. All right, and I'm going to hit on select right here. As you can see, size chart is available. Just go ahead and tick on the tick mark, and to be able to see this one, or to be able to see the contents of this one, just go ahead and hit on save. Now when we go back to our online store view, let's go to our product right here. I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, size chart for this computer. And there we have the picture and also the text. That's basically how we do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.